So, what is a brain, or what is it that your brain is actually doing? It's a pretty fundamental question, and it can help explain a lot of behavior if you have a basic understanding. But your brain is basically a resonator. And what it does is it receives sensory information, your eyes, your ears, your touch, your taste, your smell, and it processes it in frames. And those frames are usually split up into 10 frames per second. So the reason we know this is from cat experiments where we look to see what happens with the visual information that's presented to cats. And that information goes to the back of the head in an area called the occipital cortex. From the occipital cortex, we believe that visual information is interpreted in forms of color lines with different angles and synthesized into a hallucination of the real world. So you're actually only looking at an area about this big at any point in time. And those areas that you're looking at are what are called saccades. So your eyes are constantly shifting around, capturing small images and resynthesizing in your head what you believe to be the reality around you. And there's several experiments that have shown that even though you think that you're seeing everything around you, in fact, you're only seeing a small percentage of the things around you because your eyes can only move so quickly and you can only focus on specific areas so quickly and you can only process images so quickly at a speed of 10 images per second specifically. So this is why the video that we watch on TV or on YouTube usually has a target frame rate of 24 to 30 frames per second. Because at that frame rate, it's fast enough to convince your brain that you're actually seeing something in the real world.